आपको बराह रास्त जो चलेंगे। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ तक़रीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Brother, His Highness the Amir, Qatar has made great progress under his young, dynamic leadership. And Football World Cup, which was organized in Qatar a few years ago, goes to explain in volumes about the commitment and energy of my dear brother, His Highness the Amir. I was there recently in Doha on 31st of October and had the honor of inaugurating Pakistani exhibition, which was beautifully organized by our respected sister, Her Excellency Sheikh Al Mayasa. And this exhibition, which goes back to 1940, explains the struggle made by the Muslims of subcontinent to carve out Islamic Republic of Pakistan. I'd like to convey my deep gratitude to His Highness the Amir and his honorable sister for organizing this exhibition, which reflects the commitment and great feelings for the people of Pakistan. Your Excellency, today we have to now promote our bilateral economic, trade and investment relations. And I know for a fact that His Highness is very keen and committed to promote investments in Pakistan. And during my last visit, we had very productive meeting. As a matter of fact, that he was extremely kind to accompany me to the exhibition. We also had this very fruitful discussion. And as a result of that, I met the chairman of Qatar Investment Authority, Sheikh Faisal Al Thani, who has now been promoted as Minister for Commerce. So we were waiting for Qatari delegation and also waiting for my brother, His Highness the Amir, to visit Pakistan. And I have no doubt that his visit will certainly promote our brotherly relations and convert into relations where we can really seek Qatari investments in projects which are mutually benefit and mutually helpful for both countries. Also in the field of information technology, Qatar is very forthcoming to encourage Pakistani young boys and girls who are highly skilled in information technology and artificial intelligence, and we are making a very holistic program to send them to Qatar, and they will be great ambassadors of Pakistan in our brotherly country. In conclusion, Your Excellency, I would like to once again assure you that these bonds of friendship are unbreachable, and we shall together, inshallah, further strengthen our relations. Before I conclude my submission, I'd like to share a good news with my Pakistani brothers and sisters. Just a while ago, I had a telephone call with my brother, Prime Minister of Lebanon, and requested him for immediate help. About 300, 250 Pakistani pilgrims are stranded in Damascus because the airport is closed and they want to return back to Pakistan as early as possible. The only way is to go through land route to Beirut, and from there they should board a flight from Rafiq Al-Hariri Airport, Beirut. So I spoke to the Prime Minister of Lebanon, and I must say that he was more than forthcoming. He said, Brother Shehbaz Sharif, we are brothers, no problem at all. Let all these Pakistanis come to Beirut. We will facilitate them, and whatever is possible, make their stay comfortable, and they will be back home to Pakistan as early as possible. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
कतर के कौमी दिन की मुनासिबत से तकरीब वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि कतर के कौमी दिन के मौके पर हुकूमत और आवाम की तरफ से अमीर कतर को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। पाकिस्तान और कतर दोस्ती के रिश्ते में बंधे हैं। शेख तमीम बिन हमद सानी की दूरअंदेश क़यादत में कतर में नुमाया तरक्की हुई है। फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कप का इनेकाद इसकी बेहतरीन मिसाल है। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने कहा कि उन्होंने कतर का हालिया दौरा भी किया था। इस दौरान एक नुमाइश का इफ्तिताह किया था। इस नुमाइश में पाकिस्तान की सकाफ़त के रंग बिल्कुल वाज़ेह थे, नुमाया थे। अमीर कतर के दौरे पाकिस्तान के मुंतज़िर हैं। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ तक़रीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने मज़ीद कहा कि अमीर कतर पाकिस्तान में मुख्तलिफ़ शोबों में सरमायाकारी में दिलचस्पी रखते हैं। कतर के कौमी दिन की मुनासिबत से तक़रीब जारी थी। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ इससे खिताब कर रहे हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।